What's up, guys? Mm. So this is going to be a new series separate from my gaming channel. Um, Basically, I don't know. I've been trying to get into basically any type of coding development for several years, and for some reason, I just keep, losing track of it, or I just think it's unattainable, or like, here's the thing: all the reasons why I've stopped has never been because I thought it was hard. I actually like the challenge that coding presents, but for some reason or another, I would never stick with it. So this year, I don't know, just because I just woke up one day and decided I'm going to start this journey again and see it through to making my first app. My goal is to get just one app in the App Store. Um, and then, if we want to set more goals after that, we will. But for right now, the goal is just one app in the App Store. And I just want to make sure that I have a good understanding and a good foundation because I can watch a tutorial, and learn how to build an app that way, just get it in the App Store. But if I don't understand why I'm doing what I'm doing enough to make my own app from scratch, then what's the point? It's like anybody could, copy something, but I want to be able to build, you know, what I want to build. And I have a whole list in my folder of certain problems or use cases in my life that I would like to solve. And I think that I can do it with Swift and SwiftUI. Before, here's the other thing about why I got discouraged is because in these other programming languages that I've learned, like Java, C++, JavaScript, etc. No, C Sharp doesn't really come into play. But in all the other ones that I mentioned, it was always like, yeah, I can do all this cool stuff in my compiler and I can see the output in the console, but I don't really know how to tie that back to a visual component. And I don't know if it's just because I wasn't like sticking it out long enough, or if I did research like how to do it or how to tie my code to something uh, physical or a visual representation of my code, like a user interface or etc. Um, it was just too convoluted, or there were like more frameworks or more languages or more software that I needed to learn. So it just seemed really complicated. But the thing that really, um, I guess, was like the light bulb that went off in my head is I recently saw someone developing in Xcode, and in Xcode they actually give you a um, a 3D mock-up of an iPhone or an iPad, I guess, if you're, developing on that. Even Vision OS, I think, has a simulator. Um, so you can immediately see what your code is doing on the device that you're coding it for. That like just blew my mind. So it got me really excited. I found Paul Hudson's 100 Days of Programming on, I think it was on YouTube. Also, Code with Chris. I'll link all these people in my link tree, but also Code with Chris was another guy who seems like he has a lot of good current content. That was the other issue. A lot of the content I was looking at was really outdated, but these people are very current and very active, and they have really solid communities online because that's another thing. It's like I'm going. No, thank you. Um, Sorry that someone just posted in my Twitch chat a really long message, but anyway, and it's probably a bot, but anyway, um, they have really good communities, and it's like learn. I always tell people like this: learning a computer language, it's not hard, but it's just like learning another language. Like if you speak English, you're trying to learn French or learn Spanish, it's going to be hard if you're not surrounding yourself with other people who speak that language or other people who are trying to learn that language with you. Because as the saying goes, if you don't use it, you lose it. So That's pretty much what has happened. Weirdly, I retain like most of what I've learned. Like I look at, you know, some things happening in Swift and I'm like, oh, that's in JavaScript, or oh, that was in C++. So I'm not losing it, but I feel like it would better help me be I would be more confident in it and more well versed if I was frequently using these things. And that just comes with repetition and practice, but also in bouncing ideas off of other people and like talking to other people on this journey at the same point in the journey that I am at, so that we can speak the same language and there's not like a skill or a knowledge barrier there. So anyway, I'm talking too much as usual. I'm just going to get into it. So today's problem is this is Paul Hudson right here. Great guy, love him to death, except he's Swifty, which is anyway. No shade to Taylor Swift. She's just not my cup of tea. But neither here nor there. We're going to be doing a problem called FizzBuzz, and here are the hold on, where are the directions? The goal is for me to create a loop from 1 to 100, and for each number, I have to write fizz if that number is a multiple of 3. Write buzz if that number is a multiple of 5. And if the number is a multiple of 3 and 5, I have to print FizzBuzz. That seems like the tricky one, but we'll see. Otherwise, just print the number. So for example, we start a loop. We're starting at number 1. It should just print number 1 because number 1 is in a multiple of 3 and 1 is in a multiple of 5. We get to 2, same thing. We should just see 2 as an output. 3, okay, it's down here, so you guys don't have to do this in your head. 3 should print fizz. 5 should print buzz. And then I think when we get down to 15, because that is a multiple of 3 and 5, we should get FizzBuzz. So he's saying that this is a pretty tough problem and that it trips up a lot of people. But he also said that we're only on day 6. And he said we should have learned everything we needed to learn to approach this problem. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up a new playground in Xcode. And a playground in Xcode is basically like it's your compiler. So it's like VS Code or Eclipse. When we use Java, you remember Eclipse? Oh my God. So I don't want to open a project. I just want to open a new playground. Oh, we can. Okay. Cool. A blank playground. We'll call this checkpoint 3. And we want to save this. And GitHub. New folder is, we'll just call this 100 days of SwiftUI. Create. And in there, we want to call this, we'll call it day 6. And then in there, we'll call this checkpoint 3. Okay, one thing immediately that I'm looking at is I don't know if we need to import the UI kit because we're not technically doing anything with the UI right now, but I wanted to know hold on, let me block this person really quickly. How do you block somebody? Ban. I'll put you in timeout for 600 seconds. No, okay. I'm still new to the whole like Twitch thing, so just bear with me. Oh, and I got a follower. Cool. Hey Harry, what's up, man? All right. So what were we? Oh, I wanted to look up. I feel like these are libraries that we're loading. Because sometimes when I watch a tutorial at the top, it'll say import foundation. And I think maybe that's when we're working with SwiftUI. But then some people will do a tutorial in Playgrounds and it'll say import Cocoa. Oh, okay. Its iOS counterpart is. So what is foundation? It's already included in Cocoa and UI kit. Okay, so we're good. So UI kit is correct. Okay. So what we want to do, let's look back at our problem. Is and slash slash is just how you comment something out. So we want to create. Oh, nice, man. Nice. That's awesome. I just started not too long ago. I'm only on day 6, but that's cool. What are your goals with learning SwiftUI? Do you have a job as a developer already, or is that something you're working towards? All right, so we want to create a loop from 1 to 100 for each number. I could probably do the slash star thing here, right? Yes. Uh-oh. It's a multiple of 5 print buzz. Print FizzBuzz. Otherwise, just print the number. All right, so this is where I miss JavaScript because anytime someone asks me to create a loop, my brain immediately goes to JavaScript, but it's different in Swift. You have to do for I in 1 Yeah, 1 to 100. Okay. If this we could do if 3 or no, if I mod 3 is equal to 0. Yeah, man, I'm having difficulties with how Swift is written compared to JavaScript because it's so similar but like different. But that's cool, man. What did you build in C Sharp? I took some courses in I have an Oculus Quest. Well, they're called MetaQuest now. And I took some courses in virtual reality to use C Sharp with Unity to build um, two actual like video games. Actually, one was called Cannibal Cows. The other one was called Pirate's Revenge, which was kind of like Fruit Ninja. And Cannibal Cows is kind of just like a I don't know. Actually, I can link them in the chat for you. Let me see if I can find them. Cannibal Cows. Let me see if that works. What web apps did you build? My paste isn't working. And then go here. We should see the other one. Oh wow. That's awesome, man. So you're already in it, but just learning a new language. That's cool. All right, so let me go back here. Okay, so if I then we want to do we gotta use the brackets here, right? We want to print not putting a semicolon at the end of every line is what's really tripping me up. I heard Python is like this too, but that's crazy. Okay, so we want to print fizz. And then we should be able to like oh wait, but okay. So like I want to do oh wait, shit. Yeah, man. All right, that's that one. And that's that one. I'm good. All right, else if I divide by 5 leaves a remainder of 0, then but the problem with how I have it written right now is, hold on, let me do the else print. Oh, I don't like that it doesn't autocomplete. Maybe that's like a setting I need to turn on. All right, print. Oh no, you just want to print I. But the problem with how I have it written right now is it will print fizz and buzz when I get to 15, but I think it's going to do it on 2 separate lines. And if you look at the code, I think we're supposed to do it on the same line. So oh, wait. We just learned how to put logic, because you can't put an if statement inside a print statement unless you do. It was like last night's thing. What is it called? A ternary operator? I literally just did this last night. Hold on, let me look at Twitter. So if that equals that, print that. Otherwise, print this. So can we concatenate? Let me see. Then if I is hold on. 5 by 5 equals 0. Then we also want to print buzz. But then what do we put here? Nothing. Oh, do we have to do? Oh, wait. We wouldn't do string interpolation. Wait, before I do all this, let me just see what this gives me. What's it doing? I gave it an else. It says it's launching checkpoint 3, but it's just spinning. don't think it should be taking this long. Waiting to reconnect to my iPhone. Why? Wait, what are we doing? Hold on. Just for right now, because that's being weird, we're going to minimize this and go into VS Code. See if we can run it there. No such module. Okay. Maybe that doesn't work over here, so run it. What am I doing wrong? Oh, just takes a while. That's weird. So yeah, see how it's putting fizz and buzz. Wait, where's 15 at? 15 just pointed, or I'm sorry, 15 just printed fizz. Oh. Wait. Oh, because once it's true, it jumps out of that. It doesn't do the else if. So we wanted to still. I think I was maybe on the right track with the ternary operator. So let's get rid of the else if. And then let me just try to get it to do. What was the syntax? If I, oh shit. If I multiply by 3, is equal to 0. Oh no. 9 by 5 is equal to 0. We want to print buzz. Or just an empty thing. Empty is an enter. Okay. But at 15, at least we are getting fizz and buzz at the same time now. So Hmm. Oh, wait, but what if we change it to and oh wait. Wait, how would I say that here? Would I do and I modded by 5 equal to 0. Print FizzBuzz. Otherwise, wait. We're checking to see if it's divisible by 3. If it is, we want to print I don't know if I don't want that print to be there yet. Oh shit. Because then if we get to 15, if it's a multiple of 3 and 5, it's going to print FizzBuzz. If not, which means it's just a multiple of 3, it's going to print Fizz. But then if it's oh, okay, hold on. Else, I could put an if statement here. If I mod 5 is equal to 0, then we want to print. See, this is auto completing. I like that. We want to print buzz for 5, right? Only if it's 5. Otherwise, we just want to print the number. I think this is it. Because if our argument is 3, that's going to fail. And then it's going to print fizz. If it's 5, none of this is going to run. This is going to run, and it's going to print buzz. But it's also going to print the number, so that's not right. So we should make this an else if. We want to print buzz. Ew, this looks like not good. And then else. Wait, do I have too many? This one is for that one. Or no, that one's for that one. That's for that. That's for that. Okay. I think we're good, maybe. But you need to be over here. That's why it looks weird. Okay. Okay, so if it's 3, we're going to print fizz. If it's 5, we're going to print buzz. If it's 15, we're going to print FizzBuzz. And if it's anything else, we're going to print the number. Let me run it. Please work. Did we do it? FizzBuzz, right? FizzBuzz. Okay. But wait, why is it 9? Oh, because 100 is okay. I was like, wait, why is it not printing 100? Yikes. Okay, so I think we did it. Okay, cool. Yeah, it always feels good. That's why I'm addicted to this. Like running the code and then like getting the response, the what is it, instant gratification? I love that. Okay. So let me see how he did it. Oh, you got to subscribe for the answer? Start a free trial. Oh, okay. I could have used the is multiple of method instead of what I did. I'm not familiar with that, but I'll look into it. In this instance, you need to check for 3 and 5 first because it's the most specific, then 3, then 5. Yeah, I did the nested. Oh, no, I didn't. Or kinda, I guess, if else if it's considered nested. Cool, 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 cool. So let me update Twitter with the code. Actually, I need to send this to my phone. So how would I do that? Notepad or text edit, new document. Okay, no, maybe I'll just use Notepad. Delete. I don't know if you saw on my Twitter, I found this free app in the App Store called SwiftUI Compiler, which basically allows me to, hold on, basically allows me to smart. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. So we want to paste this. Oh, but yeah, it's this program that lets me make these little screenshots of my code. I just like how it looks. So let me just whip that up really quickly. I'm sure there's a desktop app that probably does this as well, but I like that the background already matched like my background. I'm really big on like design and how things look. Okay, so clear this, paste, We're going to run the code. Oh no, we don't want to run it. This is today's day 6 of hacking 100 days of SwiftUI. Save image, send that to our desktop. Day 6 of 100. Oh. Learned about for loops, while loops, break. What did I title this? Break and continue. I completed checkpoint 3. Ooh, that could be dangerous. Hold on. You guys seeing all of that? All right. Cool. So don't want that. We can get out of this Xcode. Get out of that. So tomorrow is functions. Okay. Cool. All right. So now for extra, I need to figure out why this didn't run, but I don't know if I want to debug that like live. So we'll just stop. Like, why is it trying to connect to my phone? I don't think I ever set that up. Anyway, get rid of that. And let's see. Waiting to reconnect to why? Why does it want to connect to my phone so bad? I do not recall. Developer mode disabled. I don't want to use my phone. I want to use the simulator. iPhone 15. Always. Oh, wait. Is it because I'm charging my phone? Oh. Okay. So wait, let me just close Xcode and relaunch it. I still think it's going to give me an issue. Let me see. Yeah. Hmm. Sign in with your Apple ID. Hmm. Okay, let me. What? Waiting to reconnect to. Yeah, I never asked you to pair it. Unplug it. I also never asked you to pair this. Okay, restart Xcode. I wonder what happened between yesterday and today that is causing this. And why don't I have a list of all? You used to say like iPhone, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's not giving me any of that. What is this called? This is called. Nope. The canvas, right? Let me try. Nope, this create new project. It's an iOS app. Next. Product name. Test. We're not doing Swift data yet. So GitHub, new folder called test. I mean, now it looks like it might work. So maybe it was just a problem. Oh, you know what? I started building that app on my MacBook Air, and then I cloned the repository to open it on my Xcode on my iMac, which is what I'm on right now. So I'm wondering if that caused some sort of issue. If the preview ever pops up, then we'll know. It looks like it's going to. Just thank you. Okay. So yeah, I guess, That's annoying. So I'm not going to be able to like work back and forth between my. There has to be a way. I just have to figure it out. Because this should give me the. Yeah, see, this is what I was looking for. All this. And we want to do iPhone 15. So anyway, we were doing a tutorial by someone. I can't remember. I think it was Chris. Code with Chris. Yes, GT. Thank you. I don't even need to watch this and know that. I agree. So let me see. Oh wait, I'm live on YouTube too. Nice. Okay. It was like, hold on, where are my liked videos? Or like continue watching? Is that an option? Watch later. History. Oh no, I might have been under switch account. There we go. It was Chris.
Why does Wi-Fi only seem to work in this room?
You need Verizon Home Internet. Get fast, reliable coverage in every room.
The photos, but you don't have any actual photos, there's nothing really to see, right? So this is where you would put those test or preview assets to be used. And that, in a nutshell, are all of your files in your Xcode project. Next up, let's see how we can test our app. Now, in terms of testing your app, we mentioned the simulator in lesson 1. So just as a recap, you can select a simulator of your choice here, and then you can hit this run button and it's gonna launch.
Wait, I don't want to like. Something about this feels wrong, like streaming someone else's tutorial. Like I don't want to piss anybody off or anything. Or like offend anybody. So maybe I will pull it up on my phone and then I'll just follow along on my actual computer so you guys can see what I'm doing. We finished that. Clean this up a little bit. Come on. How do you... Oh, switch account. Okay. Oh, cool. It gives you dark mode and light mode. You can do, okay. Okay. He's just giving like a tour of Xcode right now. I think we're about to start. What's this one do? Okay. Oh, perfect. The documentation's built in. Okay. And he also said I could go over here. Ah, nice. Show the history inspector. Cool. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so I need to grab his assets. Here we go. Oh, we have these already. So let me see. You know what? We can just use this picture. It's not the best picture. Hold on. There we go. That's pretty. So we don't want to just leave that on the desktop. Let's not be lazy and put it in L3 demo. Cool. So now you know what? Oh God, I'm remembering so much stuff. Maybe I should have created a branch, like in order for me to. Sorry, really loud motorcycle going by. In order for me to work on the same project on both my desktop and my laptop, I think one of them needs to be, or really they both should be working from a branch. And then whatever changes I make, I commit or create a pull request to pull them back down to the main branch. And then whenever I want to work on it from a new computer, each time I have to like create a new branch from the main branch and start from there if I want the progress right. So drag this here. Oh, this isn't an image. Open with preview. And I want to export Niagara Falls.jpg. Save. Okay. Trash whatever that is. And now we're good. So we can get out of that. Let me make sure Twitch still looks good, and it does. And then we can now Don't know what any of that is, so we are just going to stick with what we do now. Yes, okay. So we got Niagara Falls. Cool. Wait, why? Image name is, I thought. I go to assets. Oh, what happened to it? That's why it's not here. Oh, this is on test app. Oh. I'm on this one. Okay. So we're going to get rid of all this. I'm like, I know I'm typing the syntax correctly. What's going on? Image. Okay, cool. Why is this so big? No. There we go. Zoom to fit. Zoom to 100%. No, we don't like that. Zoom to fit. Okay. Oh, okay. Can we do the rounded corners? Nope. Corner radius? Yeah. Hold on real quick, guys. I'm gonna preheat the oven. I need to eat. I'm gonna throw a pizza in, so I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm so childish. I love these. I went to the grocery store the other day and I found Super Mario gummy bears and fruit snacks. So just need a little something to hold me over until my pizza's ready. Oh yeah, let me move that. Oh, wait. I don't know if I want you there. Hmm. Forgot to download this. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So now that we have that, let's open her up. I was going to say, I feel like there should be a search. Star.fill, I think is what. Ooh, or we could use star and then star.fill to show like when a rating has been given. So I guess we would be using star.fill on this view because it should show. But on the edit page, just regular star. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Sorry, guys. Let me put my pizza in the oven real quick. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes. Okay, we're back. Pizza is in the oven. That's what we want, but we want to put an H stack inside the stars. Yes. Update. Why isn't it updating? Oh, wait. Did I do this right? Hold on. mean, think about this. I want a vertical stack for the stars and the reviews, but within that vertical stack, I want the age stack. I think I just put it in the wrong place. Nope. You get out of there. There we go. All right. Let me make this bigger. Work. Wait, hold on. Who was that? Hey. What's up, man? Okay. Happy Sunday, man. How you doing? Actually, I think I want this on everything. The V stack. Yes. Nice. Oh, do I need to do laundry? I don't know. Yeah, man, you gotta you've already got like all those nice neon lights. You gotta get some going behind you. I know I'd be wearing dirty clothes to work this week if you didn't say anything. But yeah, you should well, you don't have the camera yet, but once you get the camera, put some behind you. I always love how that looks when people have that shit. I would do it myself, but that's just like not my vibe. It's like white and gold in here. I think neon lighting is so ugly unless you already have like an environment where it looks good. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, they're cheap. They're like $10, $20 on Amazon. A warm light. I think maybe if I like, hold on. Yeah, like a warm yellow. Maybe if I like backlight Nigel's tank, so it's like coming up from back there, but I don't know. Okay, bougie. Nah, that's awesome though. That sounds cool. I'll come over sometime and check it out. Once you get everything set up, I'll come over. Oh, you know what? And now that I'm looking, I think it might be cool if I put some lighting on my paintings, like those little like gallery lights that like I don't want to put any more holes in the wall, but fuck it. My security deposit's gone already. Yeah, because I do need some backlighting. With like command strips. Oh. Yeah, that shit. I don't know. We'll see. Then I have to turn off my halo light so that you really get the effect. I mean, you wouldn't be able to see any lights right now because it's daytime, but you turn it off. Yeah, I feel like I would have to do that for the backlights to really like stand out. And the glue doesn't mess up the paint on the wall. Yeah, see, the canvas lights would be gallery lights that I would hang on each of them. But the one back there is an outlet right behind the tank. I could have, plug-in lights, but we'll see. I do kind of want to like have something back here because I didn't want to put a light. Oh, yes, I have one of those too. I don't think you've been here in a while. I did a lot to my bathroom. It looks really nice now. I think it looks really nice now. But I have these floating shelves above the toilet, and underneath the floating shelf, there's a motion censored light. Because when you got to piss in the middle of the night, I don't want to turn on the bright light because then it like takes away my tiredness. I'm not tired anymore. I can't go back to sleep. So I got the motion censored. So when I lift up the toilet seat, it cuts on. Or when I walk in the bathroom, actually, it cuts on. And I can just piss like that. Yeah, it's nice. You got to come check it out. Got like a spa vibe going on in my bathroom now. Oh, that's why you had it. That's crazy. All right, where was I? Crazy, crazy. Ooh, gotta put these in quotations. Dude, time out, because I don't think you were here earlier. I wrote this program. Hold on, why isn't this showing up? Binoculars. Okay, anyway, I wrote a program earlier that basically I wrote a loop program. Basically, it's a program that would like count from. Oh, okay. I wrote a program that Alexa, stop.
14-minute timer stopped on kitchen.
Yeah, that's my pizza. I'm about to take it out the oven. It would count from 1 to 100, and if the number is like divisible by 3, it would print something. It would like write something. In this case, fizz. If it was divisible by 5, it would write buzz. If it was divisible or a multiple of 3 and 5, it would write fizz buzz. And if it was none of those, it would just write the number. So this is the program. It's short, like a couple of lines. And then this is like the output. So you can see because 3 is a multiple of 3, it writes fizz. 5 is a multiple of 5, it writes buzz. And then like you get to 15, that's a multiple of 3 and 5, it writes FizzBuzz. This is like an interview question the guy was saying for like coding interviews. But it was just really cool that I figured it out. He did something completely different, and there was some guy watching this stream earlier who also did something completely different. So it's really cool to see, like, yeah. Hold on. So be right back. Let me get my pizza. Let's go back. But yeah, it was cool as shit. Cool as shit. Getting that shit right. And then I don't know if you have Twitter, but on Twitter I make these cute little printouts of everything I do. I'm just gonna document the entire process, like when I started, every little thing that I learned, and see where it gets me. Let me close this. What was that? Oh, that's a trigger. It works. Good. Yeah, so anytime someone mentions like Twitter or YouTube or Instagram, because I'm trying to get, my thought process is like, if I'm streaming and someone's like, oh, do you have a Twitter? Do you have a Twitch? Them writing that keyword will trigger that bot to respond that way. So I don't have to. It's nice that it works. Cool. Okay, anyway. It's just Stream Elements. It's called a chatbot. What? No, you are. Because I think you had ads playing one time when I tried to watch you. I don't know what that means, but I think you, because you only need 50 followers and like an average of 3 viewers. I think I distinctly remember you telling me that you made affiliate at one point. I don't know if you can lose it, but I know you made it. Oh, I didn't know you could lose it. Oh, that sucks. That's why I mean, I thought it would be cool just for the like channel points and have people like interact with your stream, but that's really the only reason why I would want it. I know there's other plugins you can use, but they're not as straightforward as channel points. And if someone who's not like a frequent Twitch user, they're not going to know how to get to like the plugin to. Oh, as long as you stream, but it's not dependent on your like viewer count or average viewers or follower count or anything like that. That's fine. Okay. I want to know why binoculars. Did I not spell it right? Binoculars fill. Copy name. Oh, I didn't capitalize it, did I? Oh, it's not supposed to be capitalized. Okay, hold on. Let me. So the text. Okay. Niagara Falls. Spacer. Oh, right. That's what I'm saying. This is still in my VStack. Because my VStack is here. Yeah. So what is the issue? Let me switch to app view, switch back to content. Oh my God. I'm such an idiot. This is Xcode. I do believe that you need to be running Mac OS in order to use it. But I'm sure you can like run, I think it's called Parallels on your PC to install Mac on your PC or Mac OS on your PC. Or you could use Swift Playgrounds, which is an iPad app. You can build apps and actually get them in the App Store, as far as I understand it, using Swift Playgrounds. Yeah, that's what I meant. I think it's called, well, maybe on the Mac side, the dual boot is called Parallels. I know Parallels is involved in something like that. Actually, that's going to bother me. Let me look. Yeah, it allows you to run Windows, right? So that's why it's a syntax issue. Okay, so we're back. We forgot to put system name. Oh, nice. So yeah, download Xcode. It's free. What else would you need? I think that's it. That's pretty much it. My biggest issue with coding is like I'm very familiar with a lot of computer languages, but I never had a way to like. Right, right. I could always write code, not SwiftUI, but like JavaScript, C++, etc. But I never had the visual component. So what I liked about Xcode is that it's whatever you do in code, you can immediately see on the device that you're coding it for with the like visual representation of it. So it was great. It was like, yeah, in Java, I can write cool programs that, do loops and this and that. But like, how do I share this with people if they don't have like a compiler that they can run my program in? It just felt like I always had to learn something else to like, or learn a lot of things actually to connect my program to something visual that I could share with other people. But like with Swift, it's like Swift and SwiftUI, it just pops up right here. And if you like push this to your cell phone, that's how it's going to look on the cell phone. Like even if I, is it Command B to build? Yeah, build succeeded. And then if I click run, let me see. You don't even have to have an iPhone. Like it comes with its own full iPhone. Like this is just a preview window right here that has Niagara Falls, but this thing is like a full iPhone simulator. So you get the home screen, you can simulate, what's going to happen if the person shakes their phone, if they turn it sideways, the whole nine. Exactly. Let me see. Yeah, so you pull it up. I think it immediately goes into my app. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Preview, hold on. Our app layer. No, it has content view in there. Content view. I don't know. It's probably something I'm doing that's incorrect, but we're not finished. But wait, let me grab my pizza before it gets cold. Oh, here it is. It's just slow. I don't know why my computer's so slow. It's been causing me so many problems today. So yeah, this is the app. What I was trying to show you is like you can swipe. It's like fully an iPhone. A very slow iPhone, but an iPhone nonetheless. Yeah, there it goes. You got all the settings. I'm back into my app. Right. So you have a whole like simulator here that you can work with. Oh, is that, what is that? A person? Oh, what's up, Q Coding? I didn't notice you. Your username sounded like yeah, I'm on the Intel Mac. This is from like 2017. I haven't upgraded. I just got the new M2 MacBook Air 15-inch, but I wanted to sit at my computer today. So give me one sec. Let me grab my pizza real quick. I'll be right back. right. Okay. Mhm. Ooh, I'm gonna put this up here. Yeah, I'm back on main. Okay. And then I want them next to each other. Oh, no. These guys. So then I want them on the right hand side. Mm. Wait, is there a period with caption? Yeah. Command option. Ah. Oh, I like that. Cool, cool, cool. So we should have two left, right? Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Hmm. Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks good. But then low key, yeah, I don't even want the additional padding. That'd be nice, right? Like, why are we creating a whole view? Just layer it in a VStack. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know how to set the background without the rectangle. Manage Niagara Falls. I don't know if I like that gray, but oh shit. Mm, that looks nice. Yeah, that makes it look like it's a link, like something you can click on. It's something you should click on. I would say. Oh yeah, I saw. Listen, I woke up. Wait, is it snowing? What is that? Yo, are you? What is going on? I thought clearly, I thought it was like 50 degrees. That's the world is ending. That's crazy. That's why I was so cold this morning. I fell asleep with all the windows open because I'm like, oh, it's going to be nice, you know? Well, that's crazy. All right, so wait. I am still working on grasshoppers. That's wild. Uh-oh. I'm sure wildlife is very confused. Okay, so wait. I do like the white background, but okay. If we want to change the white, damn right. Did you see what was that Netflix movie about the end of the world with the deer? It's like Leave the World Behind or something, where all the Teslas started like becoming like kamikaze death traps, and the deer was just like me mug people. It wasn't a great movie, but yeah, like what the hell was that ending? All right, so if I want the shadow, this Z stack has the shadow, so I need to put something behind. Yeah, it was not good. Why did it block that out? I knew what you were trying to say. Something about M. Night Shyamalan. Oh, did you block it out or did my bot block it out? Because it does censor certain words. That's why I was like, wait, what did he say? Um, oh, my bot did it. Oh, okay. Hmm. I gotta look into that and see why you can't type that. That's weird. It's not a slur. I put all the popular slurs in there, but I don't think that's one. It's just some dude's name that makes terrible movies. All right. Right. So what? Hold on. Let me. Okay, in my restream chat, I can't see it, but let me look on Twitch. No, it's blocked on Twitch too. Hold on. Why is it blocked? I don't want to ban you. That's weird. I can't see it. Even if I try to reply, I can't see it. Who knows? Like in my chat settings? Shield mode is off. I don't know. Maybe my chat bot and stream elements is what's blocking it. Not super sure, but I'll figure that out. Let me just make a quick note. Oh yeah, first thing I need to turn on follower notifications because I didn't even see Qbot followed me or the other guy that was here. And then disable or lower chat mod settings. Okay. I found this new like to-do app in the App Store. It's just like really clean and simple. I'm obsessed with it. But anyway, what was I doing? For streaming? No, it's just like a regular to-do app. It makes like to-do lists or like any type of list you want. It's called Clear, Clear. But I think it's iOS only. But I mean, I think it's time, Justin, that you just get an iPhone. Yo, my life is nothing but lists, so it's been a great help. I'm like so organized now. All right. So we want to make the color. I'm a dummy. Oh, if you wrote the dude's name in all caps, maybe that's why I blocked it. To block people from like yelling. I don't know. Yes, okay. And then we want to do, yes, that. Nope, I can see that. I don't know, man. I'll check it out. Mm. Hold on. I want to. Oh shit! I didn't mean to do that. Nope, I did mean to do that. Redo typing. What is redo? Control Shift C. Okay. This is my VStack, right? Yes. So I'm going to grab that with all the modifiers. Control X is what I meant to do. And then we want to put this inside the Z stack. Like that. Please work. Hey. Okay, so we got the background. I don't know if I like system mint. Actually, I kind of fuck with the mint. But I kind of want like a lime green. Let me see. Is that a thing? No, that's not a thing. Let me see if I can find something different. Show library. Nope. Where's my library at? There we go. So I want a modifier. Or no, I want a color. No, see, I think that's gonna. I guess I need a list of all the colors, which I should be able to find in the library, but. Oh, let's check the documentation. There we go. Actually, let me see if I could. A mint color that automatically adapts. I want to get used to using that. Okay. Adaptable colors. There we go. Excuse me. So we want green, but we want a lime green. Maybe they don't have lime green. No, something existing. I'm only like 6 days into doing this, so I'm just going off what other people have done and just breaking it down for myself to try to figure out what each thing does. Yeah, that's what I want. That doesn't look good, but that's what I want. Are you a oh, I forgot your name. Q coding, are you a developer for Swift or anything else? Okay, and as a test, what I want to do is L3 demo. I want to put this on GitHub. Oh, nice. How long have you been doing it for? Hmm. Wow. Okay. Damn. That's pretty cool, man. I would love to get to that point because it's pretty cool so far. I've only dabbled with previous languages. I've never. The only thing I've built is in C sharp. To see using C sharp and Unity, I built 2 video games. Not like expensive video games at all. It's just like little. I call them like little toilet games or something. But you can't even call it a toilet game because you can't play it on your iPhone. You can only play it on a laptop or a computer. But before that, I mean, I have a little bit of experience with like Java, C++, JavaScript. JavaScript, I think I have the most experience with, but even that's not a lot. But I like that, coding in Xcode with Swift and SwiftUI, you get this like visual representation. So yeah, well, okay. So about that, I was doing Paul Hudson's 100 Days of Swift UI to learn this earlier today, and I had a program I had to solve, or a problem I had to solve, and my program wasn't running. I created a new Swift playground in Xcode, and it wasn't running my code for some reason. And now that I'm realizing it might have just been my computer was really slow to run it, because it was even kind of slow running it in here. But I had to do FizzBuzz. You've been in this business for 13 plus years. I'm sure you know what FizzBuzz is, but because it wasn't running in Swift Playgrounds, I opened it up in VS Code, and there's an extension here for Swift that lets you run. Well, I'm sure you know that lets you run Swift code. So I ran it here just to get it done because I didn't want to debug while I was streaming, like why it wasn't working on Swift Playgrounds earlier. But that's the only reason. I don't use it for anything else. I think I used to use it for JavaScript, but that was it. And maybe wait, React? I think I was learning JavaScript and React. Really? Okay. I don't know. I was just looking for, another. I have an app on my phone. It's free. It's called SwiftUI Compiler, and it's basically like a thing that lets me create these little screenshots, but it will also run the code. So usually I test in there, but because I was streaming today, I needed something other than Swift since it wasn't working. So I figured I'd try VS Code. I can't, anytime I have a problem, I'm like, I can't be the only person who's come across this problem before. And I wasn't. So someone else created that Swift plugin, thank God. And that got it working for me. All right, so I put it on my GitHub. So if I go to GitHub, it should be there. I also have never used GitHub or GitHub Desktop before, so I'm trying to get used to that. If I refresh, it is not showing up. Let me see your profile. Or wait, did I not? I didn't publish it. That's why. Keep it private. Okay. And then if I refresh, it should be okay, cool. So now I'm on my desktop. If I want to later, like I want to work on this code from my laptop. On my laptop, should I create a branch from this repository and edit it there and then do a pull request to merge it? I'm just trying to figure out how to jump back and forth between working on a project on my desktop and my laptop. Do you use GitHub? Qcode? And I think we're done with this module, actually. That's push and pull. Okay. That's what I figured. So I had it right. I just had to take it one step further. Yeah, I don't think I actually made any changes. I just clicked. So what are we going to do now? We're going to make a new project, I think. Yeah, so I'm following along with Code with Chris. He has a nice series on YouTube that I think we're about to. Has the magic update stuff button. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I learned initially how to do this all in like the terminal or GitHub Bash or something like that. I think they're interchangeable. But then I downloaded GitHub Desktop, and I guess it does, all the heavy lifting for you without having to know the command lines. I think I might prefer doing it in the terminal, but I want to get used to this because it seems like it's what most people use. So wait, let me minimize this, and we're going to do a new iOS app. Keep that the same. No. Okay, so for this one, there are some image assets we need to download. This is the thing that I'm going through right now.
Hey, tech leads. This is Monday.
Yeah, you too, man. Thanks for hanging out. Where are the assets? Right here. Whoa, hold on. Day one. Why are they labeled like this? Oh, okay. Day 3. Day 4. Work hard game assets. I'm gonna download this. Then I'm gonna put them in my GitHub. Oh, work hard game. Then unzip it and drop it here. Oh shit. I think that's fine. Stop toss. Can actually close that. We don't need it. And we don't need that. Okay. So let me just start this off now by doing I'm going to put war card game. We want to publish. Cool. So now okay. So we need to build. Okay. I think I can do it. Let me show you what we're about to build. Yeah. Basically, this. So all right. We've got the backgrounds, the deal button. Actually, you know what would be good to do? And bring that back up. It's similar, but yeah, we'll just keep this open over here. Come on. There we go. Why can I not make this? You know what? That's what we'll do. Oh, I did it again. Okay, whatever. I guess because got you. That's just like margin space. All right, so we'll put you over here for reference. And then we want to get familiar with all this stuff. So there's our deal button. There are some cards that we can use. And a logo. Okay. Now I don't know the difference between this one and plain and cloth. I think we want to use cloth. Yeah. So content view. We just want to do a regular iPhone 15. Want to scooch you over. And I'm going to get rid of you. Okay, so I know off top to get that background, I'm going to need a Z stack. Ooh, but I already forgot what goes in there. So give me 1 second. Was it color? Ah, it was. Okay. Color.system int, and then we did ignore safe space, ignore safe area. But I think we need a dot here. Hell yeah. Okay. But instead of color, we want this to be image, and we want it to be our image, which is the one from assets called background cloth. Copy. Uh-oh. I think it has to be in quotes. Oh, programmer, hire me. Okay, but we now that I'm seeing it at this size, we don't like cloth. I think we're gonna go with plain. Yeah, that looks better. All right, so this is the Z stack. And Let me see what goes on the bottom of a Z stack. Let me put some text. What I'm trying to see, hold on. Am I live here? What I'm trying to see is oh yeah, I'm good. What I'm trying to see is in a Z stack in SwiftUI, do I need to put, like if I put an element below the image, is that going to show up on top of the image? Or if I put it on top of the image, will it show up on top of the image? You know what I mean? Hello world. Okay. I knew it was something funky. So you actually put it below of what you want it to be on top of right here. So because I want the text to be on top of the background, I put it below the background. Makes no sense. So what I want really is a V stack. And in this V stack, I want our image, which I don't remember. Looking for the logo. The name is just logo. And then I want look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Then I want actually I want an H stack. And inside the H stack, I want 2 image things. Actually, no. It looks like I want a spacer. An image. Oh, I want the king on there. King looks cool. So card 13 versus 4 hearts. Wait, I need a black one. No, I need a black one. Yeah, why not? No, I want a numbered. This literally doesn't matter, but okay, card 5 and card 13. So I want to do, are they lowercase? Yes. I want to do card 5, spacer, and then card 13. spacer. Tight. Okay. So we got our H stack and our V stack. And then below that, I want another image. And our resource in that image is going to be the logo. Or no, it's going to be the deal button. It's going to be button. And below that, we're going to need another H stack. Where it's going to say, we're going to need some text. It's going to say player. Ooh, player. Text. Oh, CPU. Wait. I should do an H stack with 2 vertical stacks in it, right? Or yeah, I think that's what we needed. And then if we copy this, we got CPU and 0. Okay. So that is like the, I guess, foundation of what we need. Now we just need to worry about fixing it. So resizable. Ooh. No, no, no. It's like dot frame, isn't it? Wait, let me just use thing over here. Uh-oh, what am I doing? Oh, okay. We just needed to add width. So maybe okay. Maybe we leave that for now as it is, and we will come back. Oh, first, what we need to do is put a spacer. Damn, not it pushing stuff off the page. Okay, then we have our H stack, which is the cards. We need a spacer there. We have our button, spacer there. And then we have our H stack with our two V stacks. So we need H stack, spacer there. And I guess on top we need a spacer. So that's why that's going to the edge. Cute. Okay. So now we need to figure out how to make this logo smaller. Oh, so let me go to library, go to modifiers. Control size. I don't think that's what we want. Hmm. Oh wait, aspect ratio. A size that specifies the ratio of width to height to use for the resulting view. Guys, I just want it like a little bit smaller. But I think I do have to put the resizable on there first to allow yes. Okay. So now let's look at 50. No, let's look at 75. What's the rest of this? It's like frame is width. $75, comma height. Okay. Height is 75 as well. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So we got to add resizable first and then width and height. That looks appropriate. Ow. That looks about what we want. If we did 125. Sure. And then the cards are fine. That deal button we got to fix. So let's come down here to the button. Ah, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, looks good. Come down to the deal button, resize that. Wait. You see how it looks regular. I kind of like the big deal button, to be honest. Mm. We're going crazy with the spacers, which feels incorrect, but we're just gonna go with it for now. What happens if we put some padding on this? We also want to put some padding on. Oh, wait. We're adding the padding to what? The V-stack? I want to add it to the text. Absolutely. No, we don't want title. That's a little too big. What about title 2? Title 2 looks good. Mm. There we go. And on the zero text, we're going to add a font. Large title. Font modifier dot large large title. Yeah. What if I put some bottom padding on this? Padding. No. Padding dot bottom. it's just like and then on the logo, we'll add some dot padding, dot top, I think we've got something here. I like a big deal button. I don't think I want to change that. But we could bold all these fonts. So what is everything player? We're all in an H stack, right? Font. Font weight. Nope. Font dot bold. I'm making stuff up. Let me figure out what it is that I'm trying to do. I guess title technically makes it bold, but let me just see if there's anything in the modifier. Yeah, bold. Oh, it's just dot bold. Wow. I don't know if I want that on. No, maybe I just want it on the text right here. So dot bold. Yeah, it's making the code messy, but I don't care. That looks better. For sure. Okay, cool. So we're here. We are here. We don't need that anymore. We don't even need a preview of it anymore. Delete. Thanks. Okay, so now I just want to see. Wait, let me finish my pizza. I'm gonna put you guys on intermission. Oh no, quit. No, quit. What am I looking for? We are looking for the Xcode. Sir, thank you. Yeah, I need more pizza. Nice. I did it. So actually, guys, I think I've been at this for almost 4 hours. What I'm gonna do, full disclosure, I just ate. And now I feel super tired. Wow, my skin looks really good. But anyway, I just ate and kind of want to like lay down for like an hour and then I'll be back on later with like more to do. But so far, I mean, I did exactly what I wanted to do. Um, and I did it pretty easily, which means that I'm starting to grasp, you know, I wouldn't say Swift UI, but at least V stacks, Z stacks, and H stacks, and all the modifiers and things that I've learned in Xcode. So I'm feeling pretty good that I'm getting this confident or getting this comfortable with using this software. Um, so I know like all the tutorials and all the endless amounts of videos I've been watching are helping. So I'm gonna pause it right here. I will definitely, I'll probably, but more likely definitely be back on later. Until then, you can follow me on my socials. My link is in the bio somewhere. Let me see, Bruce link. I'll put my link right here, and just remember to follow me, turn on notifications, and you'll be notified next time I go live, which will probably be later on today. So I'll be right back. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a good one. Oh, wrong wrong link. Hold on. I don't know if I have one for this. Let me see. I'll look into that later.